Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CR-V, talking about that generation right here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you need to find, guys, the electronic load detector fuse, this is known as ELD fuse. You have two fuses. One of them is really tricky. Stay with us. We will explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. That way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free, guys, for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague, and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys. Here at the garage, we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that helped more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the ELD fuses, where they're located, guys, let's explain now. We'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CR-V. We have two different fuse boxes. The first one that we need is actually on the inside of your Honda CR-V. And if you look under the dash on the driver's side, if we zoom in a little bit and you look under the dash on the left side above the pedals, all the way upside down, you're going to notice, guys, okay, that you have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now, which fuse we need to check, guys, for the ELD electronic load detector. You have one fuse here and you have another one in a different fuse box. If you zoom in next to the fuses, you will see the numbers, and the fuse, guys, that we need, okay, is fuse number 2. Talking about that fuse here. Then you need to open the hood on your Honda CR-V. Right under the hood, that's the engine, car battery, that's a fuse box here. Open that cover and you will see that fuse box layout, okay, right there. That's the fuse box. Facing it that way, that's the front of the car, this is towards the windshield. You guys here have that special fuse, okay? This is a multi-block fuse that consists of multiple fuses integrated in one. Let us show you what they look like quick, okay? That's the fuse on top. That's let me see, the side view is right here. That consists of 11 individual fuses. If one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse. That's the bad news. Good news, we'll put a link in the description of the video below, where you can get it at a good price and quick shipping, guys. But the fuse that you need to check, it's actually known as fuse number 41, okay, and we're talking about that 50 amp fuse, the first section right here on top. That's the one that you will need to check for the electronic load detector. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.